Hey guys, today I'm here at World of Aromas and I want you to join me on my scent journey. Come on in. Rose scent over here. Let me check.
I'll talk to y'all soon.
Oh, I found it. Here I see 3 different options. I don't know which one to choose.
Okay.
Maybe I should scent this one. It's not exactly what I'm looking for. I think I should try this one. This is the one that I'm looking for.
Let's pick right up. Perfect.
This one smells perfect.
Yeah.
First things first, I'm gonna need some supplies. So first, I'm gonna get some pipettes. I'm gonna take 10 just in case I mess up. I'm gonna need some perfumer's magic. I need a perfume bottle. I want something that looks really fancy and bougie, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. I wanna see how it looks from the inside, so I'm gonna open it. Wow, this is definitely really fancy and bougie.
Okay.
Now I need to get myself a small beaker so I can put my fragrance in it. And I found the perfect one.
What size is it?
This is 50 milliliters.
50 milliliters. Okay, perfect.
15 ml of rose blossom and warm vanilla.
Yes.
Thanks for shopping at World of Aromas. Thank you.